This week on Wednesday, News 2 will be raising money for shelter pets in Nashville.
Amy Waller is the president and CEO of Pet Community Center, and she joins us on the phone with the details. And Amy, kind of looking forward to Wednesday, aren't we?
Absolutely.
So Amy, I guess start by telling us about the Pet Community Center for people who don't know a lot about it.
Thanks, Nikki. The Pet Community Center is a low-cost, high spay and neuter facility in the greater Nashville area. And we have been around for 10 years now and have been working on serving over 90,000 animals in our community since we were founded.
So the idea here is to reduce the amount of strays by basically taking care of business up front here. Is that a good way to say it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, Amy?
I think you're on it. Part of the goal of Pet Community Center is to make sure that we're tackling any barriers to veterinary care and that we're providing outreach on a daily basis and support to pet owners who live in veterinary care deserts and looking at our work to lower pet homelessness rates, lower shelter euthanasia rates, and also improving public health and quality of life in neighborhoods all across Davidson County.
What I love most about what you guys do is that you truly do serve the people and their pets, because just because someone doesn't have the necessary funds to pay for their animal doesn't mean they don't love them.
Well said. And Nikki, if you think about the challenges of the past year, agencies like ours and Metro Animal Control Center, we've been key in providing those services to help reduce pet overpopulation, funding for those emergency medical animal cares, and helping support those pet owners who may or may not have considered themselves a group that was in need prior to the pandemic.
I mean, I think there's two messages here. First of all, owning pets is not a cheap endeavor. You have to know ahead of time what you're getting into. But in the case that you do, I mean, circumstances change in all our lives. Jobs are lost. There are changes in housing. There is help out there for folks.
Absolutely. And one of the numbers that impresses me the most over this partnership we have with MAC is back in 2014, this euthanasia rate in town was 90%. And we were able to work in partnership with Metro Animal Control and help lower shelter intake by more than 56%. And today we have served over 45,000 animals in our clinic to help provide countless unwanted litters of cats and dogs. But more importantly, we have reduced that spay and neuter, the number of animals requiring euthanasia down to 10%, which is such an amazing number of impact for us.
Total reversal.
It's incredible. But to do this, to continue to do this in this partnership that you all have with Metro Animal Care and Control, you got to raise a lot of money, which is why we're having our big fundraiser all day on Wednesday called the Nashville Pet Project. I know you guys are excited about it. I'm excited to be a part of it. Any last words of request for people who want to donate?
You know, I think when you think about pets and how many families brought in pets over the past year during the pandemic, we all really had the opportunity to get close to our additional family members with 4 legs, right? And being able to make sure that we're taking care of all animals across Davidson County by supporting through spay neuter, even vaccination clinics, and any other educational needs that our two organizations have worked together to partner on is such an amazing opportunity, but it comes with a price. You're right, Nikki. So I'm very appreciative of our friends at News 2 who are going to give us that opportunity to kind of show us firsthand the work being done by both Metro Animal Control and Pet Community Center on Wednesday, and we hope everyone will join us in raising support for this invaluable program.
All right.
Amy, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. And so there's the information, and Wednesday's the day.
Wednesday's the day, and if you are out there watching and you or someone you know needs a little bit extra help caring for your pet, just contact Pet Community Center. They'll hook you up.